Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to install Network Adapter Windows 11. First, access the Device Manager from the Start menu. There, in Network Adapters, right-click on the current adapter and choose Update Driver. After that, click on the option Browse My Computer for drivers. After this, click on Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Now choose the network adapter to install. Click Next and wait for this process to finish. You can close the windows. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.